Today topic current electricity. So in this topic, first what is electric current? Electric current. Electric current indicated with letter I. So flow of charge through any cross section of the conductor per unit time. So this is conductor. Now we can connect it with a battery. So this is applied electric field directions. Then electrons are what are they? Moves opposite to the direction of this. What is it? Electric field. So the flow of charge through any cross section of the conductor per unit time, it is called current. I is equal Q by T. Right. Units. Then units for this electric current is charge is measured in coulomb by time is second. 1 coulomb for 1 second is nothing but 1 ampere. Right. Then electrical current in circular path. Production of current in the circular path. For example, we can consider what is it? A wire, it is bended in the form of circle. The radius is R. Current is flowing through them. Then what is it? Electrons are flows through this conductor. Then what happens? The current will be produced. The generation of current due to this movement of electrons in the circular path with angular speed omega, that is I is equal Q by T. T is nothing but 2 pi divided by omega. Omega is angular speed of this electron. Next, omega is equal to V by R. Therefore, here T is equal to pi R by V. This value is directly substituted here. I is equal to Q by 2 pi R by V. QV by 2 pi R. Next. So here in terms of frequency, I is equal to Q into F. Why? Because reciprocal of time period, it is called frequency. Right. Next, current in circular path formulas. Next, electrical resistance. Opposition of the current through the what is it? Conductor is called as electrical resistance. So here, according to Ohm's law, the potential difference across the conductor, it is directly proportional to the strength of the current, or strength of this current, it is directly proportional to potential difference applied across the conductor. I is equal to, when we are removing proportionality, getting constant 1 by R into V. So here V is equal to I into R. So at constant temperature, the strength of the current through the conductor, it is directly proportional to the potential difference. I current, V potential difference, right, or electrical resistance. Units for this resistance, it is what is it? Ohms. Symbolical representation, right? Circuit symbol is circuit symbol. Okay, right. Now drift velocity. Drift velocity, nothing but what is it? The velocity acquired by the electron due to what is it? Application of this electric field across the conductor. We can consider conductor length is L, area of cross section is A. So whenever we are applying a battery across them, so here opposite direction electrons will be moves. So the distance traveled by the electron through this conductor due to application of the electric field, or velocity acquired by the electron due to application of electric field, that is I is equal NEA into VD. N is nothing but number of electrons per unit volume of conductor. E charge of electron, Charge of electron value is 1.6 10 power of minus 19 coulombs. Next, A area of cross section of conductor. Vd is drift velocity. Okay, so current per unit area, it is called as NE into Vd. This is called density. Okay, current density formula is current per unit area, NE into Vd. Right, this is drift velocity formula and current density formula. Now, so specific resistance rho. Okay, so specific resistance, nothing but here resistance of the conductor directly proportional to length. Resistance of the conductor is inversely proportional to area. R is directly proportional to L by A. R is equal to rho into L by A, where rho is nothing but specific resistance. Okay, here this is length, depends on length and area. Okay, next specific resistance is, what is it? Rho depends on nature of material. It is independent on dimensions of the conductor. Resistance only depends on dimensions of the conductor. Right, then resistivity units R is rho is equal to RA by L. Resistance ohms, area meter square, length is meter, get cancel, ohm meter. Okay, so this is unit for this specific resistance. Next, it is also called, what is it? Specific resistance or resistivity. Another name is resistivity. Right, here conductivity is nothing but reciprocal of resistivity. It is called, what is it? Conductivity, that is 1 by rho. Reciprocal of resistivity. Units, what are they? 1 by ohm meter or ohm inverse meter inverse. Okay, so this is mho. Next, conductivity concept, reciprocal of resistivity, that is called conductivity. Reciprocal of resistance, it is called conductance. So is C is reciprocal of resistance, that is C, that is equal to 1 by R. Reciprocal of resistance, units 1 by ohm inverse, otherwise mho, mho. Okay, so this is conductance. Next one, so temperature effect on resistance and temperature effect on resistivity. Temperature effect on resistance, temperature effect on resistivity. So here temperature effect on resistance, at 0 degree centigrade resistance of the conductor is R0, at 80 degree centigrade resistance of the conductor is RT. So at T minus of R0, this is increase in resistance at T degree centigrade. Per 1 degree centigrade, what is the increase in resistance? RT minus of R0 divided by, what is that? T divided by original resistance at 0. It is called temperature coefficient of resistance, that is alpha. Therefore, RT minus of R0 divided by R0 into T. Alpha is positive for conductors. When temperature is increases, resistance is also increases. Alpha is negative for semiconductors. Temperature is increases, resistance is decrease. Alpha is 0 for insulator. Next, so for example, at T1 degree centigrade resistance is R1, T2 degree centigrade resistance is R2. Then alpha formula is R2 minus R1 divided by R1 T2 minus R2 T1. This is formula applicable in between here T1 to T2 degree centigrade. Next, at 0 degree centigrade resistivity is R0, T degree centigrade resistivity is rho T. Therefore, rho T minus of rho 0 is increase in resistivity at T degree centigrade. For 1 degree centigrade rise of temperature, what is the resistivity? So, alpha is equal to rho T minus of rho 0 divided by rho 0 into T. Next, units degree centigrade inverse, here also same. Then, so here T1 degree centigrade resistivity is rho 1, T2 resistivity is rho 2, then formula is rho 2 minus of rho 1 divided by rho 1 T2 minus of rho 2 T1. This is temperature effect on resistivity. Next,